week, okay, to do this. This is gonna be this is the handle. This is the handle. Try to do that quick, not too long. Okay, so that's a knot for the handle. Okay. Sorry guys, and I got the handle right there. Okay, this is how you tie the handle with. Okay, this is the handle. Don't forget the handle. You tie it in reverse. Okay, make sure it's tight pretty good. It's not pretty good. So this is the handle. That's a flapper there, okay? So the flapper, so you got two hooks on it, okay? So I don't know if you can see that thing very well. There's two hooks there for the for the flush valve. That's one there. There's one on this side. So you got to make sure you hook it very good on this. And this is the chain, okay? The flapper is in there, and this is the chain. Gonna tie. There's a hole there, so I already adjusted so to make it a little quicker, and you're gonna see that hole there will be tied for, hold on, hold on guys. Okay, so you need to hook, if you see that, hook the flapper to the valve, or to the handle. This one, okay, this is the fill valve. Okay, got the fill valve. You can adjust it, and you put that there, and you're gonna tie that thing right there. Okay, so try to see if I can give you a little knowledge on this. So okay, so you tie it there, you snug it pretty good. Okay, and make sure you put the supply line back. Okay, and you put the